Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. There was this report that the Minister of Defense had given warning to the former governor of Rivers State, Chibuike Rotimi Amaechi, over alleged insightful statement on youths to protest against the hardship in the country. Why I found it very interesting is because the warning was coming from the Minister of State for Defense, Bello Matawalle. And Bello Matawalle, it seems this former governor of Zamfara State liked to inject himself in the public space. He liked to put himself very forward. And I myself, as somebody who operates in the media space, I discovered that you hardly hear much about the senior Minister of Defense, Mohammed Badara, the former governor of Jigawa State. You hardly hear about him. He doesn't make the news. But most of the news from the defense headquarters are emanating from Matawalle. He is the one that you hear that either he has given order or the president has given marching order that they should move to Sokoto, they should move to so and so place in order to enforce whatever the government want to enforce. Okay? So he is the one that is always in the news. When he is not in the news, fighting with his successor, the current governor of the state, Governor Ahmad, he always liked to present himself as loving President Bola Ahmed Tinubu more than every other person. Now, if you read the statement that he issued, or that was issued on his behalf, talking down on the former governor of Rivers State and the former governor of Rivers State and former Minister of Transportation, Chibuike Rotimi Amaechi. You will be ask yourself, what's his business with that statement by Chibuike Amaechi? Chibuike Amaechi was quoted to have said that he is surprised that the Nigerians have not taken to the street, given the enormity of the hardship in the country. And everybody knows that the hardship in Nigeria today is of a generational proportion. Nobody alive today has ever seen anything like this. People could not recall when Nigeria was in this dire strait. Even the New York Times and the Financial Times described what we are facing in Nigeria as a generational economic crisis. That's a fact. Amaechi reinforced that. Amaechi is with the people. He relates with the people. Perhaps when he was in government, he may not be aware of this, that people were still suffering under Buhari, that Buhari messed up the economy of this country. But at least he is outside now. He is feeling it. At least people around him are feeling it. They are complaining to him. And he should be aware, knowing the cost of things today and what it were before. So he had a right to complain. But the response from the office of the Minister of State for Defense was unnecessary. That ministry is, their responsibility is not to respond to anybody who says something that they consider anti-government. The government itself, the presidency has responded to Amaechi. So what is the business of Minister of State for Defense and Defense Headquarters in attacking Amaechi? That's not beyond their schedule. Their business is to ensure the security of the country. That is it. If Amaechi is accused of incitement, we have the Minister of Justice that can speak on that. If you are talking about that he's calling out the youth, the presidency had responded. Even the Minister of Information, they are in a better position to issue statement attacking Amaechi. But what's the business of Minister of Defense for State that he has to order a statement to be issued just to be on the headline that he has defended the government? Because these days I learned that one of the ways you can show you are working is to be seen to be in the newspaper defending the government, instead of being in the newspaper showing how your ministry is performing. People think that being on the news defending the government, doing the job of the information minister, or doing the job of Bayo Nanoga is one of going to be is things. Yeah, these are things that will get them the headline. It was an unnecessary outing as far as I can see it. It doesn't really show seriousness that Minister of Defense Minister of State for Defense has a lot on his plate, even in his own Zamfara state. A whole lot need to be done there in terms of banditry and all whatnot. Then look at the whole of Northwest, North Central, Northeast, and almost all over the country. They have a lot to do than to be responding to what I consider a minute statement against the government. Because really, Amaechi has been very quiet. He has not been very, he doesn't talk much about the government presently. So you cannot pursue him down among those who are anti-government. After all, he's also an APC member. He's a foundation member of the APC at that. But I don't know what to think about it. What do you think? What's your view about Matawalle injecting himself on the statement by former governor of Rivers State, Amaechi, that he was surprised that Nigerians are not on the streets protesting the hardship in the country? Whatever is your position, let us hear from you at the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, Google will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.